Hello, in this video I will show you how to join a group in Roblox. So, it's a very easy process. All you have to do is open your browser and then open Roblox on that browser. Then, just simply click on the group over here. And now all you have to do is click on more groups over here. And then just simply search for the group that you want to join. Then hit enter. Now you will be able to see all the groups with that particular name. And then in front of you, you will find the individual group that you want to join. For example, this one right over here. Click on it. Now all you have to do is click on join group. And if this is a public group, you will join automatically, as you can see right over here. Now, there are two types of groups that you can find on Roblox. The first is public groups, which I have just joined. And the second one is private groups, where you have to apply in order to join. Now, in some type of groups, there might be few information that you have to fill. So the moment you will click on join groups, there might be few set of questions that will be asked to you on the screen. So just simply, and then your invitation will be accepted by the admin of that private group. And again, if it is a public group, you can join directly without any questions. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.